Sure, 1,000 subscribers and none of them is watching your video. Congratulations, you just built yourself a ghost town. So I was that guy scrolling through every videos like a YouTube ninja, dropping sub under every comment section like it was my full-time job. But hey, everything I did didn't work. And I got the claim to prove to you why. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why sub is not a waste of time, but one of the biggest mistakes new creators do make. If you're serious about real growth, then make sure to stick around because this is an advice that you can't afford to miss. Hey, I'm Sebastian and welcome to my channel. So on this channel, we talk about tips and tricks to grow on YouTube. So if this is your first time seeing me on the screen, then make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I'll be notified whenever I bring out new videos. So here is what sub means on YouTube. So sub is when one YouTuber subscribes to your channel in return of a subscription. That's exchanging of subscribers, doing favor to receive a favor. Let me take one video and show you what small creators or new creators are actually doing on their comment section. So as you can see down here, you see a lot of people saying I'm done. They are not actually commenting under the video, they are just doing sub. And this is the biggest mistake that these people are doing. They don't know they are just burying their channels. They think they are growing their channel in the right way. So now I'm going to tell you why sub is a bad idea for your channel. Stay tuned. So number one, it violates YouTube policy. YouTube considers sub as an artificial engagement which goes against their terms of service. So channels who rely on sub can be penalized or be removed from YouTube. And I know you don't want to lose your channel because of this act. So make sure to stay away from this behavior because you are not helping your channel to grow, but you're rather burying your channel. You are the cause of your own problem. Number two, fake growth, no real audience. You have the subscribers, you have 1,000 subscribers, but these people are not watching your video. Why? Because those people that you told to subscribe to your channel are not interested in the content that you are creating. Hence, they are not going to watch your video. Even if they find your video on their homepage, they are not going to click on your video to watch because this is not the content they are looking for. Cause your watch time and engagement rate. So when YouTube algorithm notice that people are not interested in your video, they will stop recommending your video to them because they've noticed that even if they recommend your videos to people, they are not willing to click on your video and watch. And this kills your channel. And you're cause of it because you're asking people who are not interested in your content to subscribe instead of you promoting your videos, bringing out good content, finding for the right audience that are interested in your content to watch your video. You're just killing your growth for sub. And it's not a good idea to involve yourself in this sub thing on YouTube. Sub kills motivations and confidence. So before you started your YouTube channel, you were motivated and have the confidence that no matter what comes your way, you're still going to make it on YouTube. But here is the case: when you upload videos on YouTube, you get 2 views, 5 views, 10 views. And trust me, nothing feels worse than having 1,000 subscribers and getting 5 views on your YouTube. And this happened because of what you did. That's sub. You invited people who are not interested in your content to come and subscribe to your channel to grow your subscriptions. But on YouTube, the only thing you should be focusing on is views, because the more you get views, the subscribers will come itself. Try to focus on views rather than focusing on subscribers, because the more you get the views, the more you're going to get subscribers. And since you have more subscribers and you're not getting views, this is going to kill your motivations that you had in the first place before joining the YouTube, before creating your channel, the confidence that you had before you created your YouTube. Since you're not getting views, since your videos are not doing well, you're going to lose confidence, and this can lead you to quitting your YouTube channel. But hey, here is what to do. If you want to grow on YouTube, don't focus on sub, but the first thing you need to do is to find your targeted audience. Bring out content that people are more interested in watching. Be a genuine person. Be an answer to questions, because that's what people come on YouTube to do. Let's say, for instance, me, I come on YouTube to search for, let's say, how to cook jollof rice. That's the question, the problem that I'm facing. So I need an answer to that particular problem. So I'll go on YouTube and search for how to cook on YouTube. And videos that pop up are the answers that I'm looking for. Videos that pop up are those people who are going to give me the answer to the problem that I'm looking for. So be an answer to a problem. When you solve people's problem, you generally create a community for yourself. So those people that you solve their problems is actually going to come back to watch another video on your channel since they are interested in those videos that you are producing. And when YouTube see this, they're going to recommend your videos to more people because they see that people are interested in watching your content. People are interested in watching your videos. And this is a plus for you because when YouTube is recommending your videos to people, the more views that you get, and this view will turn into subscribers. That's what I said earlier, that you should focus more on getting views than getting subscribers. 5 views is better than getting 1,000 subscribers on your channel, because those 5 views can turn to subscribers for you, whilst 1,000 subscribers are not going to turn into views for you. So focus on getting more views than getting more subscribers. I got it. Growing on YouTube is hard, and you feel invisible in the YouTube system, and you want to get results fast. But shortcuts like sub or sub, it's not a thing you should do if you want to grow on YouTube. Sub or sub will only leave you disappointed, discouraged, and stuck at the same time. If you want to grow the right way on YouTube, then make sure to build connections, build a real audience that are interested in your videos. Focus on making more videos to help those audiences that are willing to watch your videos. That is what real YouTubers do. Focus on growing real audience than focusing on growing fake audience, because sub of sub is going to give you fake audience. The question is, have you ever done sub of sub? Just be honest. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever done sub of sub with your YouTube channel. Also, comment that from today onwards you're going to stop doing sub of sub and grow real audience on your channel. That's going to help your YouTube channel grow. And if you're seriously about growing real audience on YouTube, then stick with me, because one video can be your breakthrough on your YouTube channel. If you've made this to this point, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I bring new video. And make sure to like this video as well. If you're interested in getting more views on your YouTube video, then make sure to check this video out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.